guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and join the journey of saving money all 2022. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video, and let's go ahead and sort our cash. So, how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I am so excited for today's cash stuffing because it's a little more than what I would stuff on a normal cash stuffing. Besides the tax return one, this is a little more than, you know, this is like one of the higher paychecks is what I'm trying to say. So I'm so excited because I get to stuff my sinking funds and my challenges a little more than, you know, I usually do. Go ahead and hop into this video. So if you guys saw my previous video on my paycheck breakdown, you would know that my layout is from that video. My total that I will be stuffing is $555, but actually I did turn in some coins today, so we will be adding $20 to that. So that'll be a total of $575, $575, and then our extras would be $20. Alright, so now we can go ahead and move on to our first budgeting binder, which is our daily funds. So let's go ahead and open this one. So groceries will be getting nothing. My personal fund will be getting $15. So a 10 and a 5, 10, 15. Alexander will be getting 15 as well. So a 10 and a 5. Fast food is getting nothing because I am doing a no fast food for the rest of March challenge. Gas will be getting $30, so a 20 and a 10. And Give has $1, and we're going to take that out and put it in extra money. So, and Give will be getting nothing because we won't be eating any fast food. Alright, that one was super quick. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my totals for that, and I'm going to set this planner to the side. 15 in personal, 15 in Alexander, 0 in fast food, 30 in gas, and 0 in Give, for a total of $60. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to our low priority sinking funds. So that is in this binder. Business is getting nothing this time around, so business will have 0. So next is my husband. He is getting $10. So he now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. So $85 is now in Babe's envelope. Vacation is getting $5. So vacation now has 50, 100, and 105. Next is date night. Date night is getting $10. So then that gives date night 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105, 110, 115, 116, 117, $118. So 118 for date night. Next is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is getting $10 as well. So miscellaneous now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 105, 110. So $110 in miscellaneous. Memberships is getting nothing. So, or actually, we still have to count miscellaneous. Sorry about that. And miscellaneous, I think, has $35. So 20, 25, 30, 35. Yep. So miscellaneous has $35. Alright. And that is all for our low priority funds, low priority sinking funds. So we're going to go ahead and move over to our high priority sinking funds. And go ahead and get started with that. Starting with emergency savings. Emergency is getting $30, so a 20 and a 10. Emergency now has 100, 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 250, 270, 290, 310, 320, 325, 330. So $330 in the emergency fund. Next is New Place. New Place is also getting $30, so a 20 and a 10. New Place now has 100, 150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 250, 20, 40, 60, 80, 350, 20, 40, 60, 80, 450, 460, and 470. So $470 is now in New Place. That is crazy how much money this has accumulated. I'm so excited. Next is Car Cash. Car Cash is also getting $30. So once again, a 20 and a 10. Car Cash now has 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So 300, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $304 is now in Car Cash. 304. All right, next is Health. Health is getting $10. Health now has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101, 102. That's great as well. So put Health back in there. Next is Anniversary. Anniversary is getting $20. Anniversary now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So $100. Our next envelope is Wedding. Wedding is getting $10. Wedding now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120. So 120 in Wedding. Alright, next is Holidays. Holidays is getting 10. Holidays now has 50, 60, 70, 80. So $80. Next is our debt envelope. Debt is getting $20. Debt now has 20, 25, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 35 in debt. And that is all for our sinking funds. I will be coming back to this binder for the last envelope in there, which is a challenge. So we'll just sit this to the side. Go ahead and move on to our challenges. So make sure you guys can see that. I hope the lighting isn't terrible, but we're working on it. So first is our $1 challenge. So it's going to get $10 plus the $1 that was in the give envelope in my daily funds. So $10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and let's just stick that in there, and then we'll sit this to the side. It can't even close. What the heck? Okay, there we go. So sit this to the side. Next is our $600 challenge, which is in my bank. I'll put it somewhere on the screen right here, and that is the total amount I have in that account. Next is the 1K household challenge and the 1K rainy day. So let me actually grab my challenge cards so we can scratch those off, and also my envelopes I will be stuffing for the 100 envelope challenge. All right, so we have 50 scratched off for the 600 challenge, and then for the household 1K challenge we're going to be scratching off 75. Okay, and then scratch off 65 for rainy day 1K, and then it's down here. I'm going to get to it, but we're going to be putting 20 in the self-care challenge. So just get ahead on that one. Alright guys, next we're going to go ahead and stuff the 1K challenges. So first 75, so 50, 60, 75. And then let's grab the 65, so 50, 65. So let's go ahead and organize that. If you guys hear something in the background, it is my son running around. Alright, I like to keep my bills organized, so that's what we're doing now. Alright, and then put that back in this envelope and set it to the side. Next is our 100 envelope challenge. So we have our card that we check off, and I'll be filling 32 and 28 for a total of $60. Mark off those two, so 28 and 32. 28, so 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Alright, let's make sure that's right. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. I like my larger bills on the outside. So let's just put the cash in here and set it to the side. Next is 32, so 20, 30, 31, 32, 20, 30, 31, 32. Alright, and then put the cash in the envelope. So next is our self-care challenge, which goes in this envelope, and we'll be putting $20 in here. Set this to the side, and then our final challenge envelope we'll be stuffing is 3 months ahead, and we're going to be filling in the 20. So scratch that off. and grab a 20 and put it here. So I will be counting all of my challenges before I move in June. So stay tuned for that. I'm so excited to be going through the challenges. Hopefully I finish my 1K challenges and my 100 envelope challenges by the time that I'm moving in June. If not, that's fine. I can still work towards that goal. And I have $20 left. I'm not really sure where I want to put this, but this is from money that I got in coins. So I had turned in some coins today, and let me figure out where I'm going to put that. Alright guys, so I have decided where I'm going to put my final 20 that I had turned in for coins. And since I was looking at my 1 month ahead challenge, I have 120 left, so I'm going to go ahead and stuff this to complete that last 20, just to go ahead and get it out of the way. I didn't want to put it towards like my personal fund because I'm trying to control myself on what I spend and what I allot myself to spend, because I can really go overboard sometimes. So I'd rather put it towards something that's going to benefit me in the long run. So I'm just going to add it to my 1 month ahead challenge, and yeah, so that will complete this cash stuffing. Stay tuned for another cash stuffing coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm so excited for it. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join the journey of saving money all 2022. So that is all that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in my next one. Bye.